is called the family song?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Let me start it. I'll tell you when.
Now?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I love my mommy. I love my daddy. I love my diesel too. I love my Nana. I love my Richard. I love my Kate and Jake.
Grandmommy.
I love my grandmommy. I love my granddaddy. I love it.
Trisha too.
I love Lukey. I love.
And I love Amy too.
Hmm?
What about the animals?
What about Aunt Dana and Aunt Trisha?
I just said
No, but did you do Aunt Dana?
No. I love Aunt Dana. I love Shay.
Trace? Aw, that's cute. Oh, sorry.
What about Peppa?
I love my Peppa. I love my Mimi. Now would you do the animal one?
That's hot, Taylor.
That's good, honey.
Yay! I love that
Now
song.
we need louder music.
Nice.